Let's go!
Hey guys, good morning. It's me, Arin. Right now, we're just gonna wake up Daddy. Daddy, wake up. Wake up, silly goose.
Wake the fuck up!
Meanwhile.
Okay, Mommy is fixing my hair right now, and then we're going to Edmonton to meet Grandma.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, and Daddy's not going there because he's still sleeping.
Look up.
Go visit Grandma and sleep there. So
One more. I'll put a ribbon on your hair.
So we're just going to do something, and then we're going to Grandma's house. See you later. Bye. See you next video.
Hey
Hi,
lovers,
lovers.
we're back for another video.
You know what? People love each other all the time.
Tuesday, January
Bruh.
21st. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And it's currently 10 a.m. exactly. And we just finished eating breakfast as usual, McDonald's. We just finished pumping gas as well, and we're just gonna go.
We'll see you guys on the road.
Okay, let's get it!
See ya!
Bye.
May kwento pala ako sa inyo guys. Kaya kami pupunta ng Edmonton is for another hockey game, which napanalunan namin last Christmas party ng mga Pinoy. We're gonna show you our picture here.
Damn.
Dash. Dun daw. Nandun yung picture. Yung first one, we bought that tickets. But that's just cheap tickets, like 85 bucks. But this time, we're gonna be on VIP seats.
Yung nakita niyo sa last vlog namin. Ito.
Wow!
Yung ano na yan, yung view na yan. Which na ano, so parang layo. This time parang malapit-lapit siya.
Mas
Kasi
malapit siya ng konti.
bumaba kami ng madaming seats na rin eh, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi nung ano na yun, nung time na yun, nasa pinakatuktok kami yung ano, umakyat. So parang sobrang layo talaga namin. Pero sa perspective namin, parang okay lang kasi kita naman din namin yung tao. Pero di namin kita yung muka. Hindi ko nga nakilala si McDavid until na nakita ko yung pangalan niya sa jersey.
Paki ko.
So, abangan nyo na lang what's gonna happen. And I hope Oilers win again. And sana
Hindi 1 point lang. Yot na.
sana mas ma-thrill yung tawag dito, yung game nila, unlike last week na 0-1, and like naka-score sila second period na. So like the first whole period was like boring.
Pero yung highlight, yung magandang highlight doon is yung laging nasa-save ni Skinner yung puck sa goal. Ayun yung magandang ano doon eh, kasi you know, naka-ilan siya nun? 27? 30?
Yeah, probably
30
around
saves
that.
na ano? Ang dami nila din tinira. Ang lalakas pa nun, guys.
Tapos may isang part pa doon na wala akong clip nun eh, yung para na siyang napatumbling sa pagkakasave niya.
Ayun yung umangat yung ano, yung bola. Ay, yung bola.
Yeah,
yung puck.
Yung nasave na ano niya yun, nasave
Yung
niya,
sa net.
tapos tumasik sa taas.
Di ba?
ng net.
Tapos tetry nilang sundutin ng stick.
Yeah. Nagsimula kami, hindi naman kami fan, if you guys are wondering. Like, parang, hindi, well, sabihin natin,
we're not a fan, we're not
like
bandwagon.
super fan na parang die-hard fans like that. Pero parang, na-enjoy na namin siyang panoorin since last year ng playoffs. Kasi sa work ko, parang laging yun yung piniplay nila.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, hockey, it's the parang national
game ng
Canada. Yung first game, actually, natripan lang namin ng mga tropa namin. Ako lang nag-chat kay Sheena na, what if manood tayo Oilers game?
Well, ito yung magandang story, guys. Nung binubok nila yun, or parang naiisipan nila yun, hindi pa kami nananalo nun, tsaka hindi pa nagaganap yung Christmas party ng mga Filipino.
Yeah. Nakabili kami after ng anniversary natin ata, or like after natin makuha tong car. So mga first or second or third week of November, nakabili na kami ng ticket. And yung Christmas party, it happened December 25. So it's like after a month naming mabili yung ticket namin last week, tsaka kami nanalo. Nung una napaisip ako na what if ibenta, kasi VIP ticket is like 12 or 1,500 per ticket per head. So kung ano yun, ibebenta namin, that's like 3 grand. So pero nung na-experience namin, at saka sabi ko, VIP yun, minsan lang tayo ma-VIP na libre. Grab na natin, wag na natin ibenta. And that's like memories. Lalo nung nakapunta kami last week, parang mas lalo ako na-excite for this game. Tapos napaisip ako, what if binenta natin yun? Kukunin ko ulit pabalik sa buhay. Bibiling ko ulit gamit yung pera nila. Inaantok siya, guys, kaya ako chinichika to para makatulong. Papakita ko muna sa inyo yung view, guys. Kasi sabi ni Kenji, ang ganda. Look at that snow, chat! It's so windy today. It's actually -4, but it feels like -12 daw because of the wind. Look how pretty. It looks pretty, but it doesn't feel pretty.
Okie-dokie.
Hindi siya nakakaganda pag nasa labas na, kasi yung buhok mo, yung damit mo sobrang kapal. Yeah, yung buhok mo lahat nandyan na. Pero still a good day. And I hope it's gonna be a good day. Stop over. We're gonna switch now.
Yes, sir. Tara na, lamig.
Hi guys. So we're here already in Edmonton. Say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Come on, hold on.
So windy.
It's so windy, I know. Yeah. Can you walk? Or the wind is taking you too?
The wind is taking me.
Hello! Here for tonight.
We're gonna go now. Say bye.
Bye, vlog.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Pupunta pa lang kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta? Sa sinihan. Ito na.
Guys, look.
Kita ba?
Oo. Sobrang ganda. Nandito kami ngayon sa Edmonton City Center kasi manonood kami ng And the Breadwinner Is. Yung movie ni Vice ganda. Actually, medyo late na kami kasi 1:35 yung movie and it's currently 1:50 I think. So baka nagsistart na siya. Nasaan na? Ayun. Ayun na. Let's go. Bilis, late na tayo. Let's go.
Excited din na.
Bought the tickets, guys. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito and it looks like it's haunted. So, kasi parang wala masyadong tao. Look. Walang titinda. Look, chat. Parang papasok sa horror house. Ay, start na. Start na, guys. So late na kami. See you later.
my God. My name is Girlie. I'm Abby.
A few moments later.
Hi. Pagtuna yung mata ko, chat.
Umiyak guys.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Grabe yung mata ko.
Umiyak din ako.
It was a 10 out of 10 movie. We're out already. Sana wala pang ticket yung sasakyan kasi yung parking namin nag-start ng 1:42 and the maximum is only for 2 hours and it's already what? 4 o'clock?
Almost 4.
So sana wala pa siyang ticket. Walang ticket guys. Yes, we're safe. Lamig. Tagal. Ay, paklubang ko kayo. Lamig! We're back in the car guys and I'm using the GoPro already.
Alright, thanks! Ang awkward naman na sa akin ng nakatapat the whole time.
Ikakat naman eh.
Uy, para kang nasa stadium. Anong number ba niya? Tingnan mo yung number.
74.
Hanapin mo yung 74, huwag mo yung pangalan para madaling ba sa akin. Walang mga number? Baka naubusan na.
So guys, we didn't found anything kasi wala yung apelido na gusto ko. Wala yung ano doon, mangusin.
Bolyo eh.
Ay, kinilig! So wala yung Skinner. Wala si Skinner eh. Ayoko naman bumili ng ibang apelido. Tapos, alam mo yon, sayang lang din. Anyway, we're gonna go na to Sheena's place. Manghihiram na lang kami ng
Jersey for now.
jersey for tonight's video. We got the jerseys already. And now we're on our way to the Rogers place.
Run.
May ambulance guys!
Woo! Nakakangalay. Wala kaming tripod. Or like yung patungan kasi dinismantle na namin. Kasi alam namin mahaharang naman.
So dito na kami guys. Rogers.
Papasok na kami. So mapuputo na tong video. Mamaya na lang ulit pag nakapasok na kami kasi dadaan pa kami security. So I need to put you down. Yeah. See you later. See you inside.
Bye!
So guys, update. Nakapasok na kami, pero hinarang kami ng security kasi bawal daw yung GoPro. Which is
pero
last week, pwede.
So iwan namin tong GoPro. Cellphone na lang.
Cellphone na lang. Buti na lang talaga nag-charge.
2 inches later.
Uy. Nandun siya guys.
Wow!
Ganda guys. Ganda.
MFCRS Cold Lake and the EOCF. You can score a 43 Tom Wilson and center number 80 Pierre Dubois. Please welcome to the ice.
Second. Point.
Guys, parang gusto ko na lang maging ganun yung trabaho.
And sign up today and join the action with the free-to-play Play Alberta Power Picks.
Hi guys. So it's first intermission. It's currently 1-1. Hindi ko na-videoan yung naka-goal sila kasi lumalamon ako. Wala pa kaming dinner guys.
Pero nasa amin yung reaction namin.
Yeah. Well, na-videoan ko naman pero yung replay na doon sa big screen. Bilis. Hindi makapog na. Ay! Ano ba yun? Nakaharang. Last 1 minute 33 seconds, guys. Dali. Ay! Ay! Come on. Ay! Oh my God! OT, please, OT. OT, fight, OT, dali. OT. Ay! Ano ba naman yung 19? Dali.
Shoot when you feel ready.
Wala na. 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Last 10 seconds. 10! Come on! Ay! Oh my gosh! Wala na. Ay! Hi guys. So, tapos na yung game. And, talo. 3-2.
Madaya din referee.
Daya.
Nadaya kami 2 beses eh.
Maybe next time. Sana maganda na yung laban. Tsaka payagan yung goal. Ang hirap na full storage. Chat. Sobrang hirap. Ay, nako.
A few minutes later.
Hi guys. We're home.
In our friend's house.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I guess. We're not home.
We just finished the game. They lost.
Yeah. So bad.
Yeah.
I thought they're gonna score like the last 3-2 seconds, but they missed it, so.
I miss you too.
Bruh.
Better luck next time, I guess.
Yeah, next time again.
Anyway, we're just gonna watch a movie. Yung ano, Subvergence. Basta yun yung kay...
Surveillance.
Subjective. See you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
See ya.
So hi guys, we're here in Manila Grill. Nakain kami ng lunch namin kasi kakapick up lang namin dito. Lilit.
Hi guys, so we're here at Value Village. I'm gonna look for some dress for our Banff trip.
So we're in the shop so we can buy something. And mommy don't have a new shirt, but I have.
So dito muna kami magtitingin kasi
Dito na ako titingin.
kinikilig. You're so pogi.
Where did I got it? I will put it right here.
Sure.
So we're in the shop looking for something, and we're buying my pants. And then I found a pretty shoe. And then when it's summer, I'm gonna get Anna shoe. When it's summer, I'm gonna come back when it's Elsa shoes. And then I'll get something that is so pretty.
Hey y'all, we're just here at Machi Machi. I already tried this Machi Machi in Vancouver, but it's the first branch here in Edmonton. There's a lot of options, guys, but like, look. He said this is the top 6 in Edmonton. Sobrang aesthetic ng place nila, guys. In the car again, guys. Oh, it's so cute. I'm just so sleepy and tired, guys. We're just gonna gas up, then we're gonna go home.